If your special friend gave you a bouquet of sweet smelling roses, then you have to make this recipe. I mean, why waste it when you can jam it, right? If you have already guessed it now, we are making rose jam today. And if you are new here, hello love, I'm Sriyoshi. I love cooking awesome food and sometimes weird foods. So if you want to follow my journey, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. Now, coming to the recipe. For me, this is a long process because my special friend never gives me roses, even though I was born on the rose day. Thankfully, my plant gives me 2 to 3 roses at a time, so I can work with it. Also, keep in mind that this recipe only uses sweet scented roses. So yes, all that glitters is not good, and if you use any random pretty looking flowers which smell blah, then your jam will also be a yuck jam. So, after picking Miss Rose up, you need to wash her petals thoroughly, or else Mr. Bug will spoil out everything. This bowl has ferments of roses for 3 to 4 days. You can see the color, it's gorgeous, just like you. So to get this, all you need to do is just add in the washed petals with sugar and crush them a bit. This will help the enzymes from the petals to react with the sugar, leaving it with a sweet smelling mess. Also, make sure to ferment this in the fridge with a closed container. Keep away from those bugs. At this point, I take out the petals so that they don't overcook, and add in the sugar and let the juice reduce. like my jam with petals. It gives it a pulp-like texture, but you are free to omit it if you want. Also, a fun fact about the process is that when you add in vinegar to this, the brown color changes to red. I don't know how much the camera will capture it, but you can see it for yourself when you do it. Also, we added vinegar for preservation purposes.